gotta get them boy schools warmed up.
Yeah, that's right. Yes, sir. Use discount code JacobVile when you shop. It's okay.
Throw that on there.
Oh, there we go. All right. Let's double it up. All right. So what is your name and what's in here, man?
My name is Steven Varner with Straight Slammin' Audio.
Okay.
Right here I have 4 12-inch black diamond D2 600 RMS piece.
Nice.
On an Apex cab 45. Then I have a K4X for my 2 8s and 2 6x5s. And then a K4 for my 2 super tweeters, black diamond. Everything's all black diamond.
Nice.
Custom built the box, double layered the dyno mat with another double layer up here. Did the amp rack. I have 1.5 inch foam blocking underneath here up against the box, up against the wall and the window.
Yep. Kind of seal off around it.
Yeah, and then I built a full wood link for the window to block off the view, like all the back stuff.
Yes, sir. Very nice. I like that you have your, sorry to interrupt, I like the way you have your walled box here, and then you got your amp battery staging here, and you still got plenty of seat room. So.
Yeah, I have so I burnt I had a CT Sounds 3200, and as soon as I opened the gate yesterday, I burnt it up.
Oh man.
So that's why I got this Apex.
Got it.
And then I have 200 off batteries down here, AGM, and then I have a JTS 320 amp alternator in the front, and a XS Power D3400 in the front as well.
Awesome. Very nice. Do you know the cubic space or tuning?
It's supposed to be tuned for 42 hertz.
Okay. Did you build the box and build this in here?
I didn't build the box. I got the box. It is custom built by a guy named Mike Creevy, Team Wicked. I got it off of him, but I did everything else.
All right.
I did the center console with my
Yes, sir.
And,
Sweet.
Door boxes and stuff.
All right. Yeah, man. I would love to hear it.
All right.
So you said, what was the all the battery power? Kind of, because it was all underneath?
Yeah, I have the 200 Oz under here, and then I have the XS Power D34.
Okay, got it. All right, so AGM. Nice. Are they already broken into?
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, they're a little solid still, but this one broke in a little bit more. Yesterday I actually broke some screws off, so I had to redo all my screws. And, so I think that's why this one's probably bumping a little harder.
Yeah.
The rest of them are pretty tight. The next thing to do is just get a fan set up for my Apex, keep her cool.
Was it how did it react different from the other amp and this one? Was the other one a little louder? Or?
So I had it first on a 1250 EP Cosmo, and it was too small, so it didn't move the subs properly. So then I got the CT Sounds 3200. Never had voltage drop.
Oh,
now I can go down all the way to 12.7 with my Apex. So
Got
I
it.
get voltage and actually takes it in.
Yes, sir. Very nice. Can I put this up at all?
Yeah, this
Other one? Okay. Kind of get a view of it. Very nice. And this is at 1 ohm?
These are actually at 2 ohm.
2 ohm, okay. Got it.
The way they're wired up, they're at 2 ohm right now.
Yeah, keep it clean signal. Yeah. Awesome. All right. appreciate the demo, man. That's awesome.
Yeah, I gotta get them boys' schools warmed up.
Yeah, that's right. Yes, sir. Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.